Today we're going to show you start to finish how we built this massive composite deck with an epic covered screened-in porch on it. Step, 2 step, 3 step. what the deal is, Rusty. What the deal? This is Rusty. He's very bold. Hey everybody, I just wanted to take a quick second and thank today's sponsor, who is Carolina Shoe. You have seen me use their boots for years now on this channel. Highly recommend them. Go to the link down in the description below, carolinashoe.com/DIYTyler, and there you will get a list of all of the shoes and boots that you can use the DIYTyler 20 coupon on for 20% off. It rotates, so there's new stuff there every so often, so definitely go check it out. And it's kind of embarrassing to admit, but I got more shoes and boots than the average teenage girl, probably. My favorite 28 right here. In here, I got some insulated boots for hunting. I got some slip-on boots right there. In here, I wear these daily to my day job. They got a steel toe in there as well, which is important for that. I wear these in the shop sometime. Oh, but you thought we were done? Not so quick, my friends. Right here we have some of the 117 series. These are very light boots. They have a comp toe in them as well. Very comfortable for long periods of time. And these guys right here are super comfortable. I wore these in the field for a week when I was in the field, standing all day long. Very comfortable, durable shoe. And then the kids have their junior series as well. Obviously, I've worn Carolinas for a long time, and you guys should too. Again, look at that link in the description below, carolinashoe.com/DIYTyler. Anything on there, use the code DIYTyler20 for 20% off. They won't let you down, guys.
Where am I at?
It's on this side. That's out there. Everybody, the deck is done. Now it's time to move on to the kitchen, but I would like to thank each and every one of you who have watched this deck build series and made it such a great success and allowed us to have such amazing sponsors on this deck build video. To all the new people that joined us, welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing, and I hope you stick around for quite some time. For those of you that aren't subscribed and are watching, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell so that you know when we upload new videos like this. And you'll be happy to know we're done with deck videos until it's time for me to build the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm DIYTyler. Enjoyed having you here, and you guys have a good one.